Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can verify your account on TikTok, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of TikTok apps on the screen, where you can see profile icon at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and now you will be redirected to your profile page, where you can see menu option at top right corner. Once you tap on it, you will be able to see settings and privacy option. So on the screen just down below, just tap over there and now you can see account option. Once you click on it, you will be able to see user information at top. You need to select that option, and now you need to verify your phone number. And once you complete your verification, you need to verify your email address as well. And once you complete your email address and phone number, you will be able to verify your account successfully. So basically this is how you can verify TikTok account on TikTok app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.